Welcome back to Windowz Tech. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams on your Windows operating system in just a few easy steps. Whether you're working from home or staying connected with your team, Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any web browser you prefer. In this tutorial, we're using Google Chrome. Next, go to the Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by typing Microsoft Teams in your search engine or simply entering teams.microsoft.com in the address bar. Once you search for Microsoft Teams, you will get some results related to download Microsoft Teams. As you can see, the first link is itself from Microsoft for MS Teams. Click on the very first link and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Teams website. This is the Teams website from where we need to download the Teams. Download Microsoft Teams. Here we can download Teams for desktops as well as for mobile devices. Below here we have Teams for Windows operating system. One for work or school. Second for home. Now click on the download button under work or school, and it will start to download. As you can see, the setup file is getting downloaded. After the download is complete, locate the installation file, usually in your downloads folder, and double-click it to start the installation. Follow the installation wizard's prompts, and Microsoft Teams will be installed on your Windows system in no time. Now the downloading process has begun for MS Teams. This shall take some few minutes. After this completes the MS Teams installation. Downloading is still going on. As you can see, the installation process has started. This will also take some few minutes. MS Teams have been now installed on your system. After installation, launch Microsoft Teams. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials, and you're ready to start collaborating with your team. Once you have signed in with your Microsoft account, then you will be able to use the features of MS Teams. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Windows operating system. It's a fantastic tool for staying connected and collaborating with your team, whether you're working from home or the office. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.